This easy RSI indicator will turn you into a pro in minutes. Welcome back to Trades by Mo, and in this video I'm going to show you a super easy RSI strategy that could potentially increase your profits massively. So we need two things for this strategy to work. The first thing we need is an indicator that determines trend so that we know when to take buys and when to take sells. This will improve our win to loss ratio massively. We're going to head over to indicators. Going to type in EMA, and it's this moving average exponential here. Change the EMA color to white, and on input change the length to 200. This is a great indicator for understanding trend, and it's super simple to use. I'm sure many of you have used this before, but not unlike the way I'm going to show you. When price is below the 200 EMA, you're only looking for sells. Vice versa, when it's above the 200 EMA, you're only looking for buys. Golden indicator that we need to add to this system to improve our win rate strategy is the RSI, but it's not what you think. Head on over to the indicators, type in RSI swing, and it's this RSI swing indicator V2 right here. Go into the settings, keep the inputs the same, and on style turn off lines. This is an incredibly easy day trading strategy on the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to show you how to take buys and sells now. For a sell, we want the 200 EMA to be above price. This is on the 5-minute chart, remember. We want the RSI indicator to paint a red icon, wait for that candle to close, enter a short position. Depending on where the EMA is, you can either put it to the 200 EMA, or you can put it at the top of the previous high, or you can put it at the red icon. You can target 2 times the risk for this trading method, as you can see that trade with a hit. For a buy trade, like I said, you do want to wait for the 200 EMA to be below price. If the candle that the indicator paints on is very close, you can wait for price to break and close above that 200 EMA and then enter. For this icon paint here, the entry would have been here. Set our stop loss to the 200 EMA because the icon is too far, so we can see that trade also hit. Vice versa, like I said, if there's a red icon that paints but it's above the 200 EMA, if it is close, you can wait for a pullback. So you could have entered on this candle here because price has finally closed below the 200 EMA again. Set your stop loss to the icon, or if they are big candles, you can set them to the recent swing high and target 2 times the risk. I think this is a great little strategy, and it's super easy to use, super simple, and it only requires 2 free indicators. Please definitely do have a play around with this and let me know what you think in the comments. Check it out on TradingView.com. Please do hit that subscribe button. We upload daily trading videos on this channel. You can also check out this video here on how I made $2,550 using a subscriber's trading method. Thank you for watching.